Freezing your phone to save battery? Draining your gaming console to 0% before juicing it? Fear overcharging your laptop? The internet is full of wild, battery-saving hacks, and you're gonna try them all. But should you? Don't worry. Let's debunk these battery charging myths. Whether it's your phone, smartwatch, or gaming device, we all want to get the most out of our tech and its battery life. But in reality, the lithium-ion batteries on your favorite devices degrade over time. I'm Kristen, an Asurion expert, and I'm going to set the record straight on some of the most popular battery myths. You'll learn which tips you can trust and the best ones to ignore. One of the most common myths, leaving a device plugged in will overcharge its battery. This is not true. Modern smart devices have built-in protective measures that stop them from charging once it reaches capacity. What does happen when you leave it plugged in is trickle charge. This is when the battery continues topping up to a full capacity as it naturally dips to 99%. The small amount of energy it uses to do so can wear the battery out slightly, but not much faster than regular use. To get the most out of your battery, top off your device throughout the day and keep the charge between 40 and 80%. Better yet, use a smart plug and set a timer so it stops charging automatically. Next myth, your device's batteries have a short lifespan. This is, well, somewhat true or somewhat false. It all depends on how often you use and charge your device. On average, a lithium-ion battery can last 300 to 500 charge cycles. A cycle is measured from when a battery is fully charged, completely drained, then charged back up again. Most batteries are good for at least 2 to 3 years, often longer when you take good care of your device. If you've had your device for a while and it starts acting glitchy or sluggish, see if it's time to repair or replace it. Which brings us to another myth. Your battery needs to hit 0 before charging. This might be true for older nickel-based batteries, but back and forth charging will only wear down modern lithium batteries in these devices. So this one is false. Whenever possible, don't let your device drain to 0. Plug in anytime. Using a third-party charger may damage your device. Knockoff chargers might be cheaper than the original, but this advice is true, and for good reason. Every charger has its own controls that limit the amount of current delivered, so it stops charging when the battery is full. A third-party charger might lack these safety measures, and your battery could end up degrading faster. You're better off playing it safe and sticking with the original ones approved by the manufacturer. This next one is particularly dangerous. Freezing your phone battery helps keep its charge. Batteries are notoriously sensitive to temperature changes. This hack is absolutely 100% false. Exposing it to extreme cold or heat not only harms the battery, but it could also damage the internal components of your device. Be nice to your tech. Keep it away from the extreme cold and heat. Instead, charge your devices in a cool, ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, and not under a pillow or a magazine pile. If you're using a wireless or fast charger, unplug your device immediately when it's done. These chargers produce a lot of heat when charging. Finally, if your battery dies, you need a new device. Is your device not lasting a full day on a charge? Does it need to be constantly plugged in? Or does it shut down unexpectedly on its own? It might be the end of your battery's lifespan, but that doesn't mean it's the end of your device's life. In fact, a battery replacement can breathe new life into your old tech. Plus, it's much more affordable than buying a new device. So this myth is definitely not true. You can always get it repaired. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.